The whip chain stitch is a great border stitch to know. It's one that we're going to be working on for the February Stitch Society pattern, and it's really similar to a whipped back stitch. It's going to give you just a little bit more of a thicker line. So to begin, I've got a size 22 chenille needle, and I've got a full 6 strands of my DMC embroidery thread knotted at just one end. I'm going to come up at the bottom of this line, and I'll begin with just a normal chain stitch. So to do that, I'm going to come up through the fabric, back down, and then I'm going to leave a little section on the top. Then I'll come back up through the fabric through that loop I've left on the top. Pull it just a little bit to create the first link on the chain. Then I'll repeat the process. So I'll do that until I reach the top of the line, and then I'll show you how to whip it. So now that I've reached the last link on my chain, I'm going to just make a small securing stitch by coming over the last loop. And normally I would tie a knot off at the back and start over, but I'm just going to come back up through the fabric because this is a pretty short line and it won't really matter. So once you're there, you're going to thread your working thread underneath the chain stitching on the top of the fabric. And this whipping is only going to be done on the top of the fabric. You're not going to come back down through the fabric. If you've done a whipped back stitch, it's really similar to this. The end result is just going to give you a little bit of a thicker line, and I think it's great for stems if you want to make it a little bit thicker. We're going to use this on the February Stitch Society pattern, and overall it's just a great stitch to know. So once you finish, you can go ahead and knot it off at the back of the fabric. You can knot off at the back of the fabric, and there you go. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you're not already subscribed, please go ahead and subscribe, like this video, leave me a comment, let me know if you have any other questions. If you're a beginner, I love getting to answer your questions and helping you learn embroidery. Thank you for being here. Have a great day.